Hello guys, so this is Rahul and today we'll be talking about today we'll be talking about a new programming language which is called as Rust. So Rust is a programming language, like useful for system programming, and that's it. Yeah. So it's useful for system programming. So like if you like system programming, you may have a developer liking for Rust. So let's start with its installing first. So like I'm using Ubuntu, so this is for the Ubuntu users. First let's install it. Okay, so the process is going on. We'll be installing it. It's a long process. Okay, it's 77 MB. I'll jump cut this, and we'll be on that soon. Yeah, so like now I'll close this thing and create a new desktop under Algos. So this is just contains all the algorithms or technologies I've used since the past 2-3 years. Let's also make a Rust projects. Rust. So we'll be making so Rust files have an extension of .rs. Keep in mind. So we'll be using Sublime Text Editor to edit, like to make our first Hello World program. So this will be our first Hello World program. Okay, so it's done. So let's run it. Okay, we need to install. Okay, that curl thing didn't work actually. We need to install it again. So let's run it now. Rust C main.rs. Yeah, it created the file, so I'll be running this file. Yeah, so our Hello World program is done. Yeah, that was the end of it. Yeah, so let's dissect what we actually been doing. So this defines a function, this fn main, and in a Rust file, the main function, the function with the name main is the first executable code in the file. Okay, and we use println, like we call this thing like println exclamation mark is a macro, and this hello world is passed to it, and it outputs is the hello world. Yeah, that's it. There's a difference between println exclamation mark and a simple println, which I'll be giving to you in the later videos, like the information about it in the later videos. Alright, so this was basically the Hello World program of Rust.